So suppose we have some empty slots on our palettes, for example like we have here, and would like to remove some extra space to tidy things up. We will learn in this video how we can do that. To remove empty slots, first we go to Tools menu, then we'll go to Advanced, and then Edit Palette Set. When the Edit Controls and Functions Palette Set dialog box, we will go to the palette that we would like to remove the slots from. Let's go to Functions palette. Let's go to User Libraries, and we have some empty slots over here that we would like to remove. Right click on that spot and select delete empty slot or delete empty row. We will delete this empty row, and let's delete this empty slot also. And while we are at it, let's delete this empty column as well. Then let's go and save the changes. The preview palette set changes dialog box appears. Click continue, and our changes are now saved. Let's go and check. Right click, go to the user libraries, and our palette is now neat and clean with the extra slots removed.